Alrighty, 63 meters. We'll let it drop down, and hopefully we can get another snapper.
The bottom.
The drop. Bro, I just got smacked, eh? Like, I've just been reeling it up slowly and dropping it down, and I just got absolutely demolished.
Are you on?
No. Yeah, I've still got my bag. He missed it the first time. Right on the bottom. I'm gonna drop again. Yeah, pretty decent, hey Dad. Oh, I'm a while off netting. Alrighty. Acting really weird. He's like heavy but not heavy. We're about to find out. What do we have? Oh, it's a pearly. No, it's not very big. I can eat that. Tiny pearly, but still, that's pretty good. Get on it. Pretty decent pearly. Not massive, but still alright. You missed a fish? Yeah, quite a bit on the sounder, but we do have a storm coming in, so hopefully we still have a bit of time to fish. But it might get a little bit wet, so we'll see. Alrighty guys. New drift, new drop. Down we go. Alrighty guys, well I had the camera off, but I just dropped down, and on the way down, absolutely smoked by this guy. Awesome snapper, he's got that awesome knob, such pretty colours, but that was on the snell rig, which I'll show you guys in a sec, and just on a pilly, as you can see, lovely fish. So hopefully there's a few more down there that we can hook into and take home, but regardless, that's a really pretty fish, and really happy with that. So this storm's starting to come in now, as we can see there, so we will probably have a few more drifts and then might have to bunker down in the cabin, but we'll see what happens. But regardless, super happy with this guy. Ah, it's starting to rain a lot. Oi, there we go. Oh no, that was a good fish. Is he back? Yeah, he's back. You good? Yeah. I gotta reel this in, eh? You go, that's right. Oh. Oh, this is fun. Oh! Tuna? Alright. Yeah, you leave yours, Savvy, leave yours. No, you need to leave yours. Savvy! You don't want to get wet, you would. Alright. I net this fish. Are we netting or gaffing? Gaffing. Alright guys, Dad is on a crazy fish here. Potential gaff. Get this water out of here, mate. Do you want me to go around? Sure. Go, Dad. Come on. Up you get. Yeah, I'll take it around and pass it to you if you want. Or you're gonna go, alright. He's coming back. Poor dad has to walk around. Hit. That's good. Dad, move these rods, mate. Alrighty. Like that? Got it. Yes, baby! Alright. Let's back up a little bit here. Man!
I'm cold. Nah, I'm fine. I'm gonna jump on.
This is nuts.
Oh,
Alrighty, well, that was crazy. It is absolutely pouring. Wow, there's another boat just over there, guys. You probably cannot see, but this was mayhem.
I'm gonna go fishing when there's a storm again.
Yeah, no.
Should we put a towel there?
It can all get wet anyway.
Yeah.
Chuck that on. Alright guys, that's a tuna my dad got. It got super windy and rainy after we caught this, so we just headed in, but wasn't able to show you out there. Just give you a look here. Really nice fish, and yeah, so that was sick. And that snapper, and my brother got a tusky as well just before we left. So regardless, it was a really nice day. Got really windy, but we had fun. So we came in. It's only 9 o'clock, so we got the rest of the day relax and get dry. So thank you guys for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.